Hello everyone. In this demo I'm going to show you how to use the head command, the tail command, and the sort command. Let's start with the first command, head command. Head command displays the output of the first part of files. Or we can say it reads the first 10 lines of files. First I have to type the head command, then I choose the file that I would like to display the first 10 lines. For example, in this case I'm going to use the file /etc/pastwd. As we can see here, we have the first 10 lines of this file. There's another example, head, then /etc/shadow. As we can see here, the first 10 lines of this file. If I would like to display the output of two files, for example, head /etc/pastwd, then space /etc/shadow. So if I have more than one file, it's so easy. Just the only thing I have to add the second file after the first file. So the command head, then space, the first file here you have /etc/pastwd, then you have /etc/shadow. Hit enter. As we can see here, the first 10 lines of the first file, and here the first 10 lines for the second file. Now let's move on. If I would like to display the first 3 lines, what I should do, first I have to type the head command, then -n, this is the option, number, then I have to write the number after that, number 3, then the name of the file. For example, I'm going to use the /etc/pastwd. Hit enter. I can do the same thing here if I don't want to have a space between the option and the number, and I hit enter, and it gives us the same output. Now let's move on to the second command, the tail command. So tail command displays the output of the last part of files. Also we can say it reads the last 10 lines of files. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to type tail first, then I'm going to use the /etc/pastwd. Hit enter. I can combine two files. For example, tail, I have file f1.txt, then the f2.txt. I hit enter. As we can see here, we get the last 10 lines in this file. I can also do the same thing, tail, for example, -n. Then I can say, for example, I'm going to show the last four lines, etc/pastwd. Hit enter. As we can see here, we get the last 4 lines after we use the option -n. If I would like to combine, if I have like two files, for example, etc and /pastwd, then /etc/shadow, hit enter. So we get the last 10 lines in each file. So we get here this is the last 10 lines for the /pastwd, and here for the /shadow. The third command is the sort command. The sort command basically sort lines of the text file. I have this file month.txt. Hit enter. So we have the months here from January till December. Now if I would like to sort them, so the sort is based on the alphabets. So I'm going to say sort, then the name of the text file. Hit enter. As we can see here, we started with the A, then D, and so on. We continue. If I would like to display the output in a reverse way, so I run the option. So first I have to type sort, that's the command, then -r, this is for the reverse. If I would like to display the output in a reverse way, then the name of the text file. For example, we have the month.txt. Hit enter. As we can see here, this is a reverse way. Now I have also, I'm going to run another example. I have the number.txt. As we can see here, we have the numbers, as we can see here. So even this, the sort will based on the numbers here, as we can see. If I do the reverse way, I do the same thing here. So I have to just add -r. So the -r is the reverse way. Then the name of the file, number.txt. Hit enter. As we can see here, this is the reverse way. If I would like to get more information about the commands, I can go to the man page of the man head. You can see here, you can get more details on the option that we can use with the command head. The same thing with the tail. Details here on the options, and the same thing for the last command, the sort. Okay, that's conclude our session. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.